dumbbell, kettlebell, anything like that, grab it right now. Who we got up there? What's going on? Beth, Sarah, Kim, Ariel, Christine. What is up? Who else we just got? What's going on, Julie? We got a couple more minutes here, and then we're jumping into it. Again, if you have a dumbbell, kettlebell, anything like that, grab it right now. Who else just hopped on? Woo. Got a good one for you guys today. Should be nice and fun. Let's see here. Take another minute or so, and then we will get rocking and rolling. Ooh, good crowd this morning. What is going on? What's up? Erin just joined. Jill, Karen, Kim. What's up, Tina? What is going on? Again, if you guys just joined on, if you have a kettlebell, dumbbell, anything like that, will work. If you got a band, that'll work as well. But you don't need it if you don't have it. Somebody else just joined as well. Let's see. What's going on, Donna? Alright, here we go. So, here's what we got today. So again, I'm just going to run through the first 4 exercises that we're going to do. After that, we'll do the little warm-up and then hop right into the rest of it. So, first thing that we're going to do is an alternating deadlift and low hold squat. So, hold the kettlebell or dumbbell low, get a deadlift, sit my butt back, so I feel my hamstrings, and then squat down. So you're just alternating back and forth with the deadlift and the squat. After that, you're going to be on the floor in a push-up position, crossovers. So slowly crossing over and tapping each shoulder, squeezing that core. If it's a little tough, drop down to those knees, crossover as well. Next, you're going to hop on up, two-handed row. So both hands on your kettlebell or dumbbell, you're going to row up and just hold right here. So we're going to hold here for about 20 seconds or so. After that, I'll say go, and then we're just repping them out, rowing as many times as we can. So hold for 20 seconds, and then rowing after that. Last thing, drop all the weight, and we're just going to do some skater hops, landing nice and soft, back and forth. All right, aside from all that, let's warm up a little bit. So, we're going to go with some alternating lunges. So, hands behind the head, stepping forward, alternating back and forth. Keep that chest up, drop that knee to the ground, and right back up. We got one more on each side. And good. All right. After that, we're going to do some cook squats. Grab those toes, sit all the way down. Bring your right arm up, left arm up. Stand up. And then right back down. We got 3 more. 1, 2, And last one right here. 3. All right, last thing we got, down on the floor, just a little plank hold. So, elbows on the ground, plank position, and squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Keep holding, keep holding. And good. All right, grab that weight for your alternating alternating deadlifts and squats. We're going to get going here in about 10 seconds. So again, holding the weight low. And we're going to get going in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Deadlift and then squat. Deadlift, then squat. Alternate these back and forth. Nice, nice, nice. Remember, on the deadlift, sit your butt back towards the wall. And on the squat, sit down as low as you can. Try to touch that weight to the floor. Good stuff, good stuff. Keep going, keep going. Nice work, nice work. Hold those hands low the whole time. Whole time, hands down here. There you go, there you go, there you go. Almost done. We got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Drop that weight. Hit the floor. We're doing those crossovers. Crossovers next. All right, gonna get going here in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go, let's go. Cross on over. Squeeze that core as hard as you can. Again, if this gets tough, you can widen those feet out a little bit more or drop down to those knees. Keep going, keep going. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Good stuff, good stuff. Almost there. We've got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Grab that weight. We've got those row holds, so as many reps as we can. So, row and hold, so as many reps as you can. If you only have a dumbbell, you'll hold it on both sides just like this. All right, we're going to get going in 3, 2, 1. Let's go, let's go. Hold right here, just hold. Keep that weight nice and close to you. Keep your elbows tucked into your sides. Keep holding, keep holding. And 3, 2, 1. Let's go, let's go. Rep these out as many as you can. Nice work, nice work. Keep going, keep going. Row, row, row. Bring those elbows in. Nice work, nice work. Keep rowing, keep rowing. Almost done here. We got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Drop all that weight. We got those skater hops last thing in this round, and then a quick little break. Skater hops starting up in 3, 2, 1. Let's go, let's go. Land nice and soft on these skater hops, back and forth. Try to jump out a little bit farther if they're a little easy. And let those muscles absorb the shot. There you go, there you go, there you go. Nice and quick, nice and quick. Good stuff, good stuff. Nice work, Tony, Marcy, killing it. Keep going, keep going. Almost done here, almost done. We have got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Grab a quick sip of water if you need it. Grab a quick sip. We got about a 20-second break right here, and then right back into it. All right, grab that weight. We've got those alternating deadlifts and squats next. Alternating deadlifts and squats. If you only have a dumbbell, I'll show you that option too. All right, gonna get going here in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go, let's go. Deadlift and squat. Good work, good work. It should be burning your legs a little bit right now. Keep going, keep going. Nice job, Nadia. Keep going, Kim. Good stuff, Beth. Woo! Nice, nice, nice. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Pick up the pace a little bit here. Keep pushing, keep pushing. Almost done. We've got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Drop that weight. Make your way down to the floor. We've got those crossovers next. Crossovers. Alrighty, starting up here in 3, 2, 1. Let's go, let's go. Crossover. Squeeze that core as hard as you can. Keep squeezing, keep squeezing. If you need to drop down to your knees, that is fine too. Just keep that core engaged the whole time. Let's go, let's go. Nice work, nice work. We have got about 10 more seconds, 10 more seconds. Let's go, let's go. Push it, push it, push it. Keep going, keep going. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Grab that weight. We've got that row hold. Do as many reps as we can after that. Hold 2 reps. All right, starting up here in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go, let's go. Hold, hold, hold. Keep those elbows in, nice and tucked. And squeeze that back. Keep holding, keep holding. Few more seconds here. 2, 1. All right, rep these out, rep these out. As many as you can. Nice and quick, nice and quick. Good stuff, good stuff. Woo! Almost done here. We got 4, 3, 2, 1. Good stuff. Drop that weight. Some skater hops here. And we are moving on. All right, gonna get going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go, let's go. Skater hops, back and forth. Make sure to land nice and soft. Woo! Guys look like a bunch of athletes on the screen. Let's go. Keep going, keep going. Nice work. There it is, there it is, there it is. Nice stuff, nice stuff. Almost done here. Come on, keep pushing, keep pushing. Knock out as many more reps as you can, back and forth. We got 3, 2, 1. Good. Grab a sip. Grab a sip if you need it. Ooh. All right, we got like 10 more seconds, and then we're getting back into it. 10 more seconds. Starting up here in 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go, let's go. Knock these out. Alternating deadlifts and squats. Keep that chest up the whole time. Good stuff, good stuff. Keep going, keep going. Push, push, push. Almost done here. There you go, Sarah. Nice shot, Lisa. Come on, keep pushing, keep pushing. Almost done. 3, 2, 1. Good. Drop that weight. Hit the deck. Crossovers. We got crossovers. All right, starting up in 3, 2, 1. Let's go, let's go. Cross on over. Keep going, keep going. Squeeze that core as hard as you can. Keep squeezing, keep squeezing. nice, nice. There you go, Ariel. Keep going, keep going. Good stuff, Karen. Push it, push it, push it. Almost done here. Almost done. We've got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Grab that weight. We got those row hold to as many reps as we can. Row hold to as many reps. All right, start up in 3, 2, 1. Let's go, let's go. Hold, hold, hold. Keep holding, keep holding. Keep those elbows in. Squeeze that back and those shoulders. 3, 2, 1. All right, knock these out. As many as you can, as many as you can. Good stuff, Christine. There you go, Nadia. Woo! Nice work, Patrick. Keep rowing, keep rowing. We've got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good stuff. All right, some skater hops. Up next, starting up here in 3, 2, 1. Let's go, let's go. Back and forth on these skater hops. Good stuff, good stuff. Keep going, keep going. You guys are looking like Apollo Ono coming down the fast track in the Olympics. Keep going back and forth as quick as you can right here. Woo! Almost done. We got about 10 seconds left. 10 seconds. Push, push, push. Keep it going, keep it going. And 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Grab a quick sip. We've got like a little minute break here. I'm going to go through the next round of stuff, and then we'll get going after that. All right, so listen up as you are taking this little break. The first thing we're going to do in this second round is going to be some kettlebell thrusters. So again, kettlebell or dumbbell thrusters, hold the weight, squat all the way down, and then press up overhead. So all the way down, up and overhead. If the overhead bothers you, you can just do some squats instead. After that, hold on to the weight, and we've just got some swings, kettlebell or dumbbell swings. Again, if the swings bother you, do some touchdown squats instead. After that, on the floor, in a hollow body hold, we're just going to do some flutter kicks. So again, feet about 6 inches off the ground, just fluttering up and down, just like that. And last thing that we got is a squat hold to rep. So squat down, hold, 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 and then rep them out as many as we can at the halfway point. I'll call it out. So we have thrusters, swings, flutter kicks, and squat hold 2 reps. We're going to get going here in about 10 more seconds. So grab that weight. We have got thrusters. Grab that weight. If you only got a dumbbell, I'll show you that. All right. Starting up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Squat down and press up overhead. Nice job, nice job. Get all the way down there and press up overhead. Good stuff, good stuff. Keep going, keep going. There it is, there it is, there it is. Get those hands up overhead. Nice work, Lisa. There it is, Julie. Keep going, Beth. Keep going, keep going. We got about 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Hold on to that got some swings. Some swings up next. All right, we're going to get going here in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go, let's go. Start swinging. Again, kind of like that deadlift almost. And then snap those hips forward. Keep that chest up. If that bothers you with the weight, or your weight is too light, just do some touchdown squats instead. Just keep moving, keep moving. There it is, there it is, there it is. Almost done here, almost done. Keep pushing, keep pushing. Squeeze that butt at the top. We've got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Hit the floor. We got some flutter kicks. All right, getting going in 3, 2, 1. Let's go, let's go. Flutter those feet up and down. Up and down. Keep squeezing, keep squeezing. If this gets a little tough, bring those knees in for a quick second and then right back out. Keep that core engaged the whole time. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Woo! Let's go, let's go. You guys are killing this right now. Nice job, Aaron. There it is, Tina. I can't see you, but I can feel you. Almost done here. 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. We got squat, hold, 2 reps. Squat, hold, do as many reps as we can. All right. Starting up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go, let's go. Hold, hold, hold. Try to sit down as low as you can, about 90 degrees, and keep that chest up. Push those knees out to the side. Keep holding, keep holding. We got 4, 3, 2, 1. Rep these out as many as you can. If the weight feels a little heavy, drop it on the ground and just keep moving. Knock out as many as you can, up and down, up and down. There it is, there it is, there it is. Keep squatting all the way up. Squeeze that butt at the top. 3, 2, 1. Good. Grab a sip. Grab a quick sip. We got about 20 seconds, and then we're jumping back into it. All right, we got those thrusters up next. Gonna get going here in 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go, let's go. Full squat. Press up, overhead. There you go, there you go, there you go. Get that weight up overhead. Nice work, nice work. There it is, Nadia. Keep going, Jill. Woo! Nice work, Tony. There you go, there you go, there you go, there you go. Keep those hands nice and high. Press up overhead. We've got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Drop the weight down for a little bit. And then we've got some swings up next. Some swings. Tuesday swinging. All right, starting up here in 3, 2, 1. Let's go, let's go. Squeeze that butt at the top. Nice work, nice work. Keep that chest up. Keep squeezing. Stay with us, Facebook Live. What's going on? What's up, Matt? And Kim. Keep going, keep going. We got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! All right. Drop down to the floor. We got some flutter kicks. Flutter kicks. Starting up in 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go, let's go. Flutter those feet up and down. Keep going, keep going. Squeeze that core as hard as you can. Woo! Core should be screaming right now. Almost done here, almost done. Keep those feet moving. We have got 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Last thing in this round, squat hold to as many reps as you can. Squat hold to as many reps as you can. All right, starting up here in 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Hold, hold, hold. Keep that chest up. Push those knees out to the side. Keep squeezing, keep squeezing. It should start to burn a little bit. All right, 3, 2, 1. Let's go, let's go. Up and down. Drop that weight if you need to. Just keep going, keep going. Keep that chest up. Stand up all the way at the top and pull those hips through. There you go, there you go. Up and down, nice and quick, nice and quick. Almost done here. We got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Good stuff. Grab a sip. We got one more round, and then a quick finisher, and that is it. Almost done here. You guys are killing it. All right. Grab that weight. We got those thrusters. Thrusters up next. Gonna get going here in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go, let's go. Squat down and get that weight up overhead. Use those legs to press it up there. Good stuff, good stuff. Let's go last round in this, last round. Woo! Keep going, keep going. We got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Quick little break, and then we got some swings. Swings up next. All right, 3, 2, 1. Let's go, let's go. Get those hips moving. We got swings. Keep going, keep going. There it is, there it is, there it is. Squeeze that butt at the top. Keep swinging, keep swinging. Almost done here. We have got 10 more seconds, 10 more seconds. Push, push, push. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop the weight. Hit the floor for some flutter kicks. Starting up in 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go, let's go. Flutter those feet up and down. Squeeze that core, squeeze that core. Keep going, keep going. Bring those knees in if you need to for a quick second. And then push them right back out. We're almost done. Almost done. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Last thing that we've got. Squat hold to as many reps as you can. Hold and then as many reps. Last thing we got in this round before the finish here. Gonna get going in 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Hold, hold, hold. Keep that chest up. Sit down, sit down. Keep holding. Keep holding. What's going on, Marcy? There it is, there it is, there it is. Hold, hold, hold. 2, 1. Knock these out. Stand all the way up at the top. And then right back down as quick as you can, as quick as you can. Last round. Lisa, watch out for the dog. Keep squatting, keep squatting. We got 5 more seconds here. 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Good stuff. Grab a quick sip. We got a little finisher coming up here in a second. No weight needed on the finisher. We got everyone's favorite dice today. I will call out the reps or seconds and then the exercise that we are doing. Take about another 10-second break, and then we got a couple minutes of fun, and that is it. So, this will be for 10 or 10 seconds, whatever it is. It is 10 push-ups, 10 push-ups. Hit the floor. If you got to do them from your knees, that's fine too. 10 push-ups. Starting up in 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good stuff, good stuff. This next one, what do we got? What do we got? We've got 10 touchdown squats. 10 touchdown squats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good stuff, good stuff. What's next? What's next? We have got an iso squat hold, just like we were doing before. Hold, hold, hold. Just sit down here. Keep holding, keep holding. We're going to hold this for about 15 seconds. Just squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Keep going, keep going. Grab this. See what the next one is coming up. Oh man, you guys knew it was coming. Right after this, we've got 5 burpees, 5 burpees. Get all the way out there. And right back up. Down to that push-up position. And back up. 3, 4, and last one. 5. Give you a little break, only 5. All right, last thing that we have got is plank ups. Plank ups, just 5 of them. 5 plank ups. Down on the floor. Plank up, down, and back up. 3, 4, last one, and 5. Woo! Good stuff. Nice job, guys. How you guys feeling? Doing all right? Nice job, everyone. Good stuff, good stuff.
Thanks, Quinn.
Yeah, no problem. Nice job this morning. Nice job, everybody. Christine, stay on the line after we're all done here, just so I can talk to you for a second. Otherwise, everybody, awesome job. I think Frank and Joe got some nutrition stuff coming up here in a little bit, so tune in for that on Facebook. But otherwise,
Thanks,
awesome job. Virtual
Thank
fist
you,
bump.
Quinn.
I'll see you guys. Christine, stay on the line.
Thanks, Quinn. See ya.
See ya.